Next morning, and we still have no power. We got about a foot of snow. I measured in a couple spots. It's kind of hard to get an accurate reading because there's more over there than there is over here. It is beautiful out here today. There's a lot of damage around. I just saw there's a tree. Wow, just look at it on the roof. This is unbelievable. Yep, part of that. The honeysuckle broke off. Haven't been ventured around back yet, so I'll do that later. I got this mess to clean up. Got to get the generator going. House is 59 degrees, so get some heat on. This is crazy. Downright crazy. Anyway, I'll do some more updates later. Thanks for looking.